How do people make videos like this? It's so hard to use your right hand to explain and to show everything you want and keep your phone on the left hand. I mean, absolutely uncomfortable. Unreal. All right, let's go. I want to show you my yesterday's tweet. I said I will take a small loan to 17k if we break it, and then I expect one more decline. And that's the result of my tweet. Let's open 1 hour time frame. So I took my long here and I closed my long around 17k approximately here, if I remember right, because I had limit order. So you better subscribe, link down below. I will post more tweets with my trades. It's gonna be interesting for you, I'm pretty sure. Okay, right now I want to talk about long-term view. Let's open weekly time frame. It's my favorite chart, and this is my favorite indicator. It's RSI. Блядь. What I wanted to show you here. This is our weekly time frame chart, and this is our RSI chart. And there is the biggest level on the weekly time frame RSI chart, this blue range. It's a mirror level. What it means, mirror? It means that when we are higher for us, it works like a support, and when we are lower for us, it works like a resistance. As you can see, when we are under this blue range, historically this is the biggest opportunity to buy for the next few years. And let's make a small research right now. So every pink vertical line is the point, the place where we had a retest above this blue range or under this blue range. And so it was bottom or top every time. That's why this level is so important. And what I want to tell you, first of all, every time we touched it after a bull market, I mean this blue range, we saw a bounce. Bull market, bounce, 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 bounce. The same on the RSI. Bull market, bounce, 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 bounce. Bull market, bounce, 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 bounce. Every time we touched it under the blue range, when we made this retest, it was a bad sign, and usually it means that we will see like another decline. So that's what we got here and here. It was absolutely top on the price, as you can see. We also had it just a few days ago here, as you can see. That's also the reason why I expected lower prices, and which is very important. When we break down through this level, it indicates us a further decline. And the opposite for bullish market. We break up this level and it was like a beginning of the all bull market. As you can see, what is interesting, our RSI looks like we are on the same level as we were here, but on the price we were much more lower. It's very important for our, because I'm pretty sure that we will see the same exact thing. So our second bull market exactly the same. Yeah, RSI also much higher than price. RSI on the same level as price were here, but our real price were only here, much lower even than this important level. And the last one is, we haven't seen the last one, we will see it very soon. Yeah, so you can click on the pause and just look at these patterns and to understand how it works. We haven't a lot of time, so we need to continue our conversation. So the next important thing which I want to show you for today is this chart. I really like this chart because this picture shows us how market really works. What do I mean? When you can see this green line, it means that people sell in a profit, and when you can see this red line, it means that people sell in a loss. Why I say that this picture shows us how market really works? Because we cannot start new cycle, we cannot start grow if the biggest part of people haven't sold sold in a loss. That's it is. It's just how market works. It's normal. So as you can see, as I said, red line means that people sell in a loss, and we had it on the bottom in 2012, on the bottom in 2015, on the bottom in 2018, and we have this right now. So it's just a pattern which we can use, and I think that it will work. I also have a question for people who say that that's not the good point for entering into market for buy in a long term. I mean, why do you want to buy if it's investments? It's not a trading. You need to buy when price made almost minus 80%. And the last important thing for today, we got new hash ribbon signal, which makes me really happy because usually this is very good sign, especially for a middle and a long term. Yeah, so as you know, I expect this correction to all this move. I'm not talking about big new bullish cycle. I'm just expect a correction to all this fall, approximately to here. Maybe a little bit lower, maybe a little bit higher, but we will see it just in a few months. That's what I'm waiting for. Yes, and in a short term, I'm not sure that it's a time. I'm pretty sure that it's not the time to make videos every day because that's not time for trading, it's time for investments. But as I showed you, I got a long. I took a long here, but it was very clear setup. So in a short term, I would say that I expect to make a retest of this blue zone because it's very powerful level. That's it is. That's all what I wanted to show you for today. Subscribe to my channel, press thumbs up, and look my video about big analysis on SPX and Euro and DXY.